Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. The Boeing Leonardo team got a $2.38 billion contract to manufacture a new batch of helicopters to replace the United States Air Force Bell UH-1N. These choppers are used to safeguard the nuclear missile underground storages. The delivery was supposed to be done by 2021. The United States Air Force accepted its first MH-139 Grey Wolf on 19 December 2019, and as per the contract signed, they would receive 84 helicopters over the course of the program. All this news is something which we all know. Now let's see where this deal stands and what is the recent change in the status. As per the latest update, it looks like the United States Air Force will not devote any more funding towards the MH-139 Grey Wolf helicopter in this fiscal 2022 budget. And the main reason said to be the Federal Aviation Administration's certification problem. To be more precise, the United States Air Force is taking a year off from buying the MH-139A Grey Wolf helicopter due to ongoing delays in getting the platform certified by the Federal Aviation Administration. The other major contender for this deal was the Lockheed Martin Sikorsky's UH-60 Black Hawk helicopter. Since we saw the latest news about this chopper deal, let's quickly understand more about this helicopter. Boeing and Leonardo MH-139A Grey Wolf is a 15-seat medium-sized twin-engined multi-mission helicopter based on the AAW-139 commercial chopper. These helicopters have been designed to protect the intercontinental ballistic missiles and transport United States government officials and security forces. It is also marketed at several different roles, which includes the corporate transport, the offshore transport, firefighting, law enforcement, search and rescue, emergency medical service, disaster relief, and maritime patrol. During the development phase, the MH-139 Grey Wolf helicopters were said to be at risk for bursting over its weight limit, and the Government Accountability Office voiced the concerns about the same. According to sources, the MH-139A Grey Wolf helicopter, as it is currently designed, may not be able to meet all performance requirements if the final weight of the aircraft exceeds the design parameters. That means if an appropriate weight is not achieved, the helicopter will not be able to meet the requirements for speed or range. Boeing had noted that the Federal Aviation Administration could require additional testing, resulting in potential schedule delays and increased costs to demonstrate the engine's power before it can certify the helicopter's airworthiness. According to Boeing, these helicopters can cruise 50% faster, it can fly 50% farther, and has a 30% larger cabin. These choppers can lift 5,000 more pounds than the legacy platform, and with full autopilot capability, it will reduce pilot workload as well. These choppers are said to be equipped with state-of-the-art avionics system with advanced flight deck functionality and improved situational awareness, resulting in reduced crew workload. So that was all about the current status of Boeing MH-139A Grey Wolf helicopter delivery status, and we also understood that the main reason for the delay in delivering these choppers is due to more testing to be done, and United States Air Force will not devote any more funding towards the same for now. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.